Have you ever experienced vertigo? If you have and you experience it on a consistent basis, you should know that there are some simple and straightforward treatments that can be really effective, but it depends on the type of vertigo that you're dealing with. There's something called cervicogenic vertigo. This starts in your neck, and the muscles of your neck contain something called stretch receptors that talk to your brain in a feedback loop to perceive where you are at in space and time. It's part of your equilibrium. Now, if these receptors are abnormally stimulated from constantly looking down at your phone, caring for your kids, or maybe even from scar tissue that developed from an old injury, this could affect the signaling to your brain, causing feelings of disorientation or vertigo. Gentle chiropractic adjustments could help the bones and the muscles work the way that they were meant to, thus improving the signaling to the brain. Now, I cannot emphasize this enough. There's more than one type of vertigo, some more serious than others, and sometimes the signs of vertigo are actually signs of something much more serious going on, so you need to be evaluated by a professional. But if you or someone you know is dealing with this and would like to consider treatment, share this video with them. And if you'd like to see us, you can follow the links below.